Okay, in the last video, we took a look at some basic driver control. This time, let's take a look at some autonomous. First thing I want to do is I'm going to be taking the controller and deleting it, because for the autonomous, I don't really need the controller, so I'm just going to remove it from the system. Still going to keep my drivetrain, still going to keep my claw. So minimize this for now. We're going to look at some dead reckoning coding. So that's where we're just looking at timed movements to get around the field. So let's say the first thing I want to do is move forward. If we scroll down here, you're going to see a set of blocks for the drivetrain. Now I've got drive forward. This block here will go on forever and ever because there's nothing telling it to stop. This one, drive forward 200 millimeters, it will stop after 200 millimeters. Turn right will turn right forever. Turn right for 90 degrees will turn right for 90 degrees and stop. Stop driving stops everything. We can play with the velocity. We can set how it stops, and we've got a timeout. So just to get started, let's say we're going to drive forward. I'm going to set this to 100 mils just because it's sitting on my desk and I don't want it to drive off. So we're going to drive forward for 100 mils, and let's say we're going to turn right. Again, I'm going to set this down to, let's say, 20 degrees. So we're just going to see a little shift. So we're going to drive forward, turn right for 20 degrees. And then at that point, well, let's download that and see what happens. So I've downloaded it. I'm just going to straighten my robot up. And we'll bring the camera back a bit. See my messy desk. We'll go play. And there you go. So we went forward for 100 mils, turned 20 degrees. So you can see the robot moving by doing that. Let's back that goes. And we'll just bring the video back down for a minute. All right, so simple as that, we've got some basic driving going on. The next thing we might want to do is maybe open up the claw, pick something up. So up under motion, I've got spin claw forwards, spin claw to position 90 degrees. These degree ones, they're using a built-in encoder so it can tell how far it's moving. Let's say we are going to spin the claw forward for 90 degrees. So that should open the claw. And then let's spin, we can change this, the arm forward for 90 degrees. So it should open the claw and then lift the arm up. I might have these inverted, but let's see. So let's download. Just step back a little bit and play. Forward, turn, claw, open, and up. So you can see, just dead reckoning, we've gone through line by line by line to complete this basic code. Now you could go on forever and ever within a 15-second autonomous period, within your robot skills competition for a minute with dead reckoning. The problem with it though is once it starts, there's no reference, so it has to be lined up perfectly every time. But for starting off your autonomous, especially that 15-second bonus, really easy way to get started.